And if you want these kind of dreams, it's Californication. It's the edge of the world in all of Western civilization. The sun may rise in the east, at least it's settled in a final location. It's understood that Hollywood sells Californication. Hey, a Sergeant Barrow, while to break the spell of aging. Celebrity skin, is this your chin or is that war you're waging? Firstborn unicorn. A teenage bride with a baby inside, getting high on information. And buy me a star on a boulevard, it's Californication. Space may be the final frontier, but it's made in a Hollywood basement. In Cobain, can you hear the Spears singing songs off station to station? And Alderon's not far away, it's Californication. Born and raised by loads of praise, control of population. Everybody's been there and I don't need no vacation. Firstborn unicorn. Destruction leads to a very rough road, but it also breeds creation. An earthquake